And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2022. It's exactly 8:10 p.m. and we're here at the Crémazie Metro Station. And if you notice, a couple of the lights are off. Well, that's because apparently an electrical wire, about 4 or 5 days ago was impacted, or I guess affected, when they were doing some construction work in the tunnels or renovations. So you can see a lot of the lights are off. And this is even true in the tunnels. I'm talking about those lights that illuminate the direction signs, which tells you the previous station and the next station. I'll just do a little walk around here to show you just how dark it is. And I'm not going to do every metro station that's affected. Once you've seen this, you pretty much get an idea. And of course, this is Crémazie, one of my favorite metro stations, because of this beautiful work of art right there on the wall. So you can see, quite a few lights are off. Right there you can see some are on. By the way, that's a vent right there. So yeah, anyway, this gives you an idea. This should be fixed probably within the next day or two. But yeah, anyway, just thought I'd share that with my viewers. Something different, which I do like to document. All right, have a good night all.